Okay. Start recording now. I have the coil out. I put the new sway bar links. The other ones are shot. I had a broken coil. Awesome. There's a new one. The other side's done. All I have to do is get it. I like to use my foot. Burpee. But what I'm going to do now is put this piece back on that I took off, which is this. I'll show you in a second here. I got Sin City on in the background. 14mm socket. Get this bad boy on here. Use my knee to hold the control arm down. Awesome. Okay. Okay, I got it now. Okay. That. Ouch, crunch my finger. That always feels good, right? Okay. Tighten that bastard up. Good. Oh crap, I think I had to put something else on first. Oh, boogers. Yeah, I gotta put this on first. Oh well. Take that off. I done messed up, yo. I did a silly. That's what I get for trying to rush, because I'm getting tired and it's late. I worked all day. Okay, let's take this down here. Good thing it's pretty easy to do. Okay. Once I get it loose, I can pretty much do it like this. Pain in the butt. Okay, so this piece goes up right there. Coil sits now. I got a little rubber ring in there. That's good. Good. Put this biatch back on. Oogly boogly. Okay. Tighten this mofo. Okay. Now we're good. Don't want to put my socket in there. Now the coil part. This I put on last. Actually, I could do that. Yeah, that's fine, because that will go into the bottom of the control arm. Let's worry about that later. Now this got to go in a certain way. The rubber piece is in here. Should be, making sure. Yep, good, I put it on there. Now the bottom part is the narrow, the wide part. Yeah, skinny top, wide bottom. This has got to line up with a little spot here, even with that hole, is this piece. Bottom part of the coil. That little boy. So, I'm trying to get the right angle here. I know this is tough to GoPro. Humans don't have enough hands. So here we go. I use my foot, hold it down. Get it past that little humpty hump. Come on, baby. There you go. Got it. Bam. So that's pretty much what it's gonna go. Turn it right around there. Okay. hard to see. My head's in the way, light, shadows, all that stuff. So that's good. There we go. You can just feel when it sits. You just feel it. Now I'm going to use the hydraulic jack on the bottom. I have to lift it, put pressure on the coil, get this lined up with the bottom of the control arm. There's a hole here for that. So here we go. Right here. Pressure on that coil. I can line this up by moving the jack. There we go. Up, up and away. Hold it back a little. There we go. See, I'm lining it up. It's not pain in the butt. Looks like I've got it, sort of. Right around there. Right there. Good. Okay. This bolt. It's gonna go right in that hole. Should line right up. Presto. Now I get noisy. Got the ear protection. Loud. $19. Here we go. Done. Now I can swing this bad boy down here. Get it to the control arm. Alright. Lined up in that hole. I have to do that when I drop the suspension. It will line up. There's pressure on this sway bar from the other side. Okay. I can do that before I put the strut in because it's going to probably be easier. So I'm going to lower it. Do that, and if I have to jack it for the strut, I'll jack it for the strut. Giggity. Let's see. Oh, we lined up. Almost. There we go. Bam, I got it. Okay. So. Yeah, now you can see that's lined up. Went right in the hole here, which comes out down here. Right somewhere. Hold on. Trying to see it. There it is, right there. Where's my hand? That bolt. I think I got it on the camera. Hard to tell. Okay, let me get that on. Sorry, trying to not make everybody motion sick here. But there's no good way to do this. Tight garage here. Well, being that it's new, it should go right on without any problems. But I have to do a tricky here. Get the longer extension, 14, like so. Through the control arm, right on the bolt, ear protection, and zap away. Oop. Pop off. Go by feel. Yep. Yep. We're tight. That's tight. Good, good, good. Last piece of the puzzle, the strut. El Strutto. And this, I'll do the bottom one first. Goes through the lower control arm. Sorry if I'm not getting all the angles here. Down here, let me peach the camera. And a long ass 17 mil. Get that in there. Excellent. We'll line it up there afterwards. Almost done making noise. My neighbors probably hate me. I'm doing shit to this truck non-stop for the past week. Okay. The top one, I have to put a little more pressure on the suspension. I gotta lift it. Struts at its maximum length there. Okay. Oh, maybe it wasn't. It just not lined up right. Okay. To the wall, it's gone. Let's see if it goes that way. No, okay. I'm gonna keep it that way. That's the fat 14 mil up here. I want to center it the best I can. Once I get the other bolt in. Once I find it, of course. I just threw it on the ground, so that's my stupidity. And I'm rushing to get things done. And I got like no room to work with over here. Doesn't seem to help much. Man, how do I lose everything? I lose everything once the camera goes on. That's the funny part. Huh. I think I found it. Possibly. Well, I know where you are. I feel you. Nope, that's a nut. Nuts. I need a bolt, not nuts. I did this last week when I was doing the front coils. I lost 10 millimeters. Found it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my ear protection. Get them started. Line them up. Tighten them.
I wasn't building back there. God is dead. And that's the whole reason that I've been doing what I've been doing. The condition is bad. That cold thing that creeps into my gut.
Just trying to center it.
Let it go. This is a bad place, this farm. People have died here. The wrong way.
Okay, so that's tight. I try to center it. Probably doesn't make a difference, but why not? New stabilizer bar, new coils, new struts all around, new brakes, rotors, new tires ready to get mounted, balance, wheel alignment. Now I gotta put the tires on and drive it. Let's hope this works. Bye bye broken coil. Now I'm gonna finish this. Thank you for watching.